Lately I've been spraying a lot with the new Fuji D6. That's their 6-stage turbine. So one thing it can do that others can't is spray latex or cabinet paint unthinned. Here I'm just spraying some lacquer, and when I'm spraying clear lacquer, my preferred gun setup is the T75G. That's Fuji's gravity feed gun, and I just use it the way it comes. It works really well for me. One coat on the bottom and 2 coats on the exposed wear surfaces is about all it takes. So get really good results with that T75G spraying the clear lacquer. And just a set of drawers for a recent project here, which is a nice drill press cabinet. So everything's coming out really good using this D6, and I really enjoy having that remote control. Now on my Q5 sprayer, I had to add a remote control, but that's always a feature I've really liked. But you know, on this D6, that remote comes with the system. When I'm working with clear finishes, or if I'm just doing a limited number of parts, like these 4 drawers, sometimes I won't even bother to set up a spray booth. After all, the lacquer tends to just dry before it settles on anything in the shop. But regardless of whether you're doing a small project or a large project with cabinet paint, you definitely want to have good ventilation. So fans running, access doors open, things like that. And always, of course, wear a respirator approved for organic vapors. Now I'll set up a little spray booth so I can do the cabinet paint. And for this, the D6 has a decided advantage. You can spray latex or urethane modified cabinet paints without even thinning it if you want. So that 6 stage is really a nice thing to have. And here my gun choice has changed. We're spraying a little primer right now, and it's a tinted primer just to get things going. But for spraying cabinet paints and primers, I actually like the T70 gun best. And I outfit that with the 3M PPS pressure cup. And that just makes it a dream when it comes to cleanup time, because the liner for this cup is actually disposable. So it's a really good system when you're working with cabinet paint. And here's where switching from that primer to the paint coat is so easy with that disposable liner. Just drop in a liner and lid with built-in filter, and you're ready to add your cabinet paint. This is my first time pairing the D6 with the pressure cup, and I was really impressed by the output. It reminds me a lot of using an airless sprayer, but just with less overspray. You'll notice good output, and it really helps you move along quickly when you've got a lot of cabinets to paint. So this has been my preferred setup for cabinet painting with that T70 bottom feed gun switched over with the 3M PPS pressure cup. I just love that setup. Whereas with clear lacquer, I still do prefer the T75G gun, gravity feed in that instance, but either one will work just fine. It just depends on your preference. I love the fact that you can flip this upside down and continue spraying uninterrupted, but you know, after painting cabinets with a turbine unit like this, I really can't imagine going back to a brush and roller. Just makes things so fast and almost effortless. And when you add the quick cleanup of the PPS pressure cup, I think this system for me is really the best. And here we're just adding the second coat of color, so hitting any thin spots and just building up a little layer for good protection on this cabinet. So if you're looking to add a turbine style sprayer to your shop, or you just need more output than your current system provides, I would have no hesitation in recommending this new D6 sprayer. I'll have links down in the description box to the D6 as well as my 2 favorite guns for this spray rig.